Engage your audience with YouTube short storytelling. A well-liked venue for content providers to display their work in brief, interesting videos is YouTube Shorts. Finding methods to keep your audience interested and engaged is crucial given the format's rising popularity. One of the best methods to accomplish this is through storytelling. You can build a relationship with your audience and keep them interested in your YouTube Shorts by using narrative. Your audience will find it easier to relate to your material if you use storytelling to deliver your message in a more memorable and relatable way. Telling a narrative can help you engage your audience and make a lasting impact. Whether you're pushing a product or sharing a personal experience. This post will examine the effectiveness of storytelling and how using YouTube Shorts can help you engage your audience. We are going to offer you some pointers and techniques on how to write stories that captivate your audience. After reading this post, you should know more about how to leverage storytelling on YouTube Shorts to produce interesting and memorable material. Understanding YouTube Shorts. What are YouTube Shorts? YouTube has released a new short-form video format called YouTube Shorts. The YouTube software on your mobile device can be used to generate these vertical videos, which have a maximum duration of 60 seconds. To create interesting and enjoyable videos, YouTube Shorts can incorporate text, music, and other creative components. Importance of YouTube Shorts. Because they can hold viewers' attention for brief periods of time, YouTube Shorts are growing in popularity. They are excellent for showcasing your originality and building a personal connection with the audience. YouTube Shorts are a useful tool for content providers trying to expand their audience. Because they also have the potential to become viral and fast acquire a significant following. YouTube Shorts have the further advantage of having a prominent display on the YouTube app in addition to their potential for engagement. Compared to other kinds of content on the platform, Shorts therefore have the potential to reach a larger audience. In general, YouTube Shorts are a useful resource for content producers who want to use creative, short-form films to interact with their audience. Shorts are rapidly taking over the YouTube video landscape thanks to their capacity to go viral and attract a larger audience. The power of storytelling. Why storytelling matters. Throughout history, people have connected through storytelling, which is a strong instrument for message delivery. By fostering an emotional bond with the audience, it increases their level of involvement and investment in the material. When it comes to YouTube Shorts, narrative has the power to transform the game by enabling producers to stand out from the crowd and draw in viewers. Shorts makers may craft a compelling story that connects with their audience by including storytelling into their work. By doing this, the content may become easier to remember and distribute. Because storytelling makes viewers feel like they are a part of the story. It can also serve to foster a sense of community around the content. Incorporating storytelling in shorts. It's crucial to consider the time constraint while implementing storytelling in YouTube Shorts. In a matter of seconds, creators must be able to weave a gripping tale, which can be difficult. However, it is feasible to craft a compelling story that connects with the audience with proper preparation and inventiveness. The use of a hook at the start of the video is one method that Shorts can combine storytelling. This might be the kind of thing that draws in viewers and entices them to keep watching. In order to communicate information and establish an emotional bond with the viewer, creators can also employ graphics and images to help tell the tale. Using a unifying theme or message for the entirety of the content is another method to include storytelling in Shorts. This can contribute to the content's sense of continuity and increase its memorability. In order to make their stories more accessible and interesting for the audience, creators might also incorporate humor or personal tales into their storytelling. In general, narrative is a potent tool that can assist producers in capturing the attention of their audience and producing an unforgettable experience. Storytelling is a powerful tool for differentiating producers and drawing viewers into YouTube Shorts. Creating engaging YouTube Shorts. Choosing the right story. Selecting the ideal plot to capture your audience is crucial when making a YouTube short. Determine the interests of your target audience first. Next, make a list of concepts related to those interests. There should be a distinct beginning, middle, and end to any good story. It should also contain a dilemma that will draw in readers and a protagonist that can be identified with. Creating a storyboard. After you have a plot idea, sketch out the shots you'll need to tell the story in a storyboard. A storyboard will keep you organized during filming because it is a visual depiction of your video. You have the option to make your own storyboard or utilize a template. Add any pertinent data, such as lighting and camera angles, in your notes. Filming techniques. There are several methods you may employ to enhance the viewer experience when filming your YouTube short. Start by drawing viewers in with an intriguing opening scene. To maintain the video's visual interest, use several camera angles. Play around with the lights to establish an atmosphere and mood. Remember to incorporate sound to further improve the narrative. To sum up, rigorous planning and close attention to detail are necessary when making captivating YouTube videos. You may pique the interest of your audience and maintain it by selecting the appropriate narrative. Developing a storyboard, and employing skillful documentary methods. Optimizing your YouTube shorts. Using hashtags. You may improve exposure and interaction with your YouTube shorts by using hashtags. Viewers can quickly locate and follow content associated with a certain topic by using hashtags. It's critical to find hashtags that are both popular with and pertinent to your target audience's content. Take into consideration the following advice to maximize your hashtag usage. Give each video 1 or 2 pertinent hashtags. Try not to use too many hashtags as this could appear spammy. Investigate trending hashtags related to your industry and apply them to your content. Through efficient hashtag usage, you may expand the audience for your YouTube shorts and draw new subscribers to your channel. Engaging with comments. Building a community on YouTube requires active participation from your audience through comments. Make the effort to interact and reply to comments that people post on your YouTube shorts. This can motivate people to keep watching and leaving comments on your material, as well as create a feeling of community. Take into consideration the following advice to maximize your interaction with comments. Provide prompt responses to remarks. Inspire viewers to submit comments by posing queries or requesting input. Take use of comments to find out more about your readers' interests and demographic. You may develop a devoted following and raise the general engagement of your YouTube shorts by interacting with your audience through comments. Recall that successful YouTube shorts optimization involves a number of elements, such as high-quality content, efficient promotion, and audience interaction. You can make captivating and impactful YouTube shorts that connect with your audience by heeding these suggestions and trying out various tactics. Measuring success. Understanding analytics. Examining the information from your videos is necessary to gauge the success of your YouTube shorts. You may learn more about your audience's preferences and behavior by utilizing the variety of metrics that YouTube offers. Here are some important metrics to think about. Views, the total count of people who have watched your video. Watch time, the overall duration of time viewers have devoted to your video. Engagement, how many people have liked, commented on, and shared your video. Click-through rate, CTR, an indicator of how many people saw your video and clicked on a call to action, CTA, or link. You may determine what is effective and ineffective by examining these metrics and modifying your approach accordingly. Evaluating engagement. Your YouTube shorts' ability to generate engagement is crucial to their success. The kind of interaction you're receiving is just as important as the quantity of views. Here are a few methods for assessing involvement. The remarks, check out what people are saying by reading the comments on your video. Are they expressing their feelings, exchanging ideas, or making inquiries? To establish a rapport, reply to remarks and interact with your audience. Preferences and dislikes. Examine the percentage of likes to dislikes. Your video may not be connecting with your audience if you're receiving a lot of dislikes. Observe the justifications that viewers are providing for not enjoying your video. Shares. Count the occasions on which people have shared your video on social media. This might assist you in expanding your audience and increasing brand recognition. In summary, assessing engagement and data analysis are key components in determining the success of your YouTube Shorts. You can expand your audience and provide better content by keeping an eye on these indicators. Unlock your potential with our comprehensive course designed to empower you for exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses by clicking the link given in description.